Good evening, everybody. Joe's Golden Garage. I'm in the 05 Toyota Highlander of my stepmother's. Sitting here at 169,111, almost 170,000 miles. I'm waiting for her to get our takeout Mexican food. And I was just admiring the interior of this car and the unbelievable lack of wear anywhere on all the surfaces. The steering wheel, the switches. I mean, the headlight switch has just the tiniest bit of fading right there. But everything in this car is just mint. The floor mats, the seats, the armrests, all of it. JBL, it's all mint. There she is. Good morning, everybody. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Here we are on May 2nd. It is 49 degrees outside. Holy cow, it is a cool Saturday morning for May 2nd here in Georgia. Anyway, we are in the 05 Toyota Highlander Limited. We're going to do a cold start. $169,000 miles. We used a half tank of fuel yesterday on our trip to Chattanooga and back, which it sounds about right because it's about 110 miles from here one way. And plus, you know, me and my stepmom, we both have lead feet. We ran 80 plus there and back the whole way. Let's get our mirror straight. Man, this car just tickles me to death how clean and like new it is to be 15 years old. The exterior has not fared as well. I think I've mentioned in previous videos. Lots of paint scratching. There's a small dent about the size of the baseball on that fender corner up there. Not sure what really happened. We bought it that way. But this was the auction. I bought it at auction, sight unseen, like $4,400, I think it was. It had a really high condition report. That's why we bid on it sight unseen. It was like a 4.4 out of 5, which was really unusual for the age of the car at the time, but it all panned out good. And I've talked about this on other videos, so I just was going to do a quick little update drive, and I'll be quiet. You guys just enjoy. This 3.3 V6, 3.3 liter V6 is the same V6 engine they used, that Lexus used in the earlier generations of the ES300s, ES330, like 04 through 06 ES330, and the 04 through 06, possibly 2003 RX 330. It's a good power plant. I don't know the horsepower or torque figures, but I think it's probably somewhere around 170, maybe 180 on the horsepower. Have no idea on the torque, but I do know it is very peppy. It's plenty powerful for this SUV. I've had one in my 06 ES330. I had one in my 04 RX 330, and it was plenty powerful enough. It won't throw you back in the back of this, back seat, but plenty of power. Probably could do a little light towing with it. It's really a pretty good power plant, and man, as long as you change oil and keep that timing belt changed, super reliable. Y'all have a great weekend. I'm just trying to upload lots of content since most people are still quarantining and at home. Hope everybody's taking care of themselves. Like, subscribe, comment. Please like. I would appreciate it. Thanks so much. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you with the next one. Peace.